name is Raymond Asenas, and today we'll be going over the following problem. You are riding a scooter at 10 meters per second in a direction 40 degrees north of west. A coordinate system is established with a positive x-axis to the east and a positive y-axis to the north. Write your velocity in terms of components and unit vectors. So the first thing to do in any physics problem is to draw a picture. We need to set those up. We'll have a sub x on the bottom and a sub y on the side. We need to give these scalars some direction because they cannot add up in a velocity vector if they are not vectors as well. So as they are scalars. To turn them into vectors, we'll have I hat on a sub x and j hat on a sub y, because those are their respective directions. In order to find the length of these two components, we need to use some trigonometry. So we'll set up the equation. The vector A is equal to its components, a sub x, I hat, plus a sub y, j hat. So as you can see, we have created a right triangle by drawing those vectors. We also have the two known quantities, 40 degrees and 10 meters per second. And based on what we know, we can find a sub x, I hat, and a sub y, j hat by using sine and cosine. So that looks like, or more specifically, a sub x, I hat, and a sub y, j hat. And then we'll just use algebra to figure out a sub y and a sub x. And when calculating these out, we get 6.4 meters per second and 7.7 meters per second. But before we're done, we need to analyze our answer and look at our graph. And as you can see, the a sub x direction is actually negative. So that is represented in the answer as 7.7, negative 7.7. And because the y direction is still positive, it stays positive, 6.4. Thank you.